turn the fan off from the safety switch before opening the service hatch. Open the service hatch and lock it to the upper position. It's recommended that the needle heat exchangers be serviced once a year in the autumn before the beginning of the heating season. In kitchen applications, service should be carried out twice a year, in the spring and in the autumn. The needle heat exchanger has a low airside pressure drop, about 30 to 50 PA, and a great capacity for accumulating dirt. During the service interval, the airside pressure drop increases only marginally and the airflow does not decrease. Dirt accumulates as a thin film on the surface of the needles and is easy to remove. There's no need to install any additional filters in front of the needle heat exchanger. The high-pressure cleaner automatically dilutes the detergent to about 10% concentration. Alternatively, one can spread the detergent solution with a sprayer. Set the RETERMIA nozzle on low pressure mode and spread the detergent solution to both sides of the heat transfer surface. Let the detergent take effect for at least 15 minutes before rinsing with high-pressure water. Set the RETERMIA nozzle on high-pressure mode. Rinse both sides of the heat transfer surface with high pressure, starting from the cleaner side. The distance between the RETERMIA nozzle and the needle surface should be 50 to 100 mm, 2 to 4 inches. Always spread the detergent solution before rinsing the coil with high-pressure water. Always use the RETERMIA nozzle when cleaning RETERMIA needle heat exchangers. Dirt accumulated on the fan impeller can be removed while servicing the needle heat exchanger. In installations where the exhaust air is humid and the needle heat exchangers are placed outdoors, the drainage piping system must be thermally insulated and heat traced if needed. The drainage piping system must be equipped with water traps, and it should lead to the floor drain that is situated indoors. Kitchen heat recovery coils must be drained into a grease extraction well. The drainage piping system is installed by the piping contractor. Finally, the floor of the heat recovery device is rinsed. Close the service hatch and turn the fan on from the safety switch.